Did you know the mission that will take humans back to the moon won't actually land on it? Yes, after more than 50 years since the last time a human stepped on the lunar surface, Artemis II will go all the way there and simply leave. But why? Is it a mistake? A lack of technology? Or is there something much bigger behind this decision? Stay until the end, because the answer involves strategy, risk, and the future of humanity in space. The Artemis II mission is part of NASA's ambitious Artemis program, a plan to take humans back to the moon, and this time to stay. Unlike the famous Apollo 11 mission, which made history with the first moon landing, Artemis II has a completely different purpose. It will be the first crewed mission of the new program. That means real humans inside the spacecraft, traveling into deep space again. But with one surprising detail: they won't land. Artemis II is basically a test. A massive, expensive, and extremely important test. The mission will send astronauts around the moon, orbiting it, and then return safely to Earth. Sounds simple. But behind it, there's something much bigger. Before attempting a landing, NASA needs to make sure everything works perfectly. The rocket, the Orion capsule, life support systems, deep space communication. Because unlike past missions, the goal now isn't just to go and come back. It's to build a long-term human presence on the moon. Now think about this. Would you trust your life to a mission that has never been tested with humans? Probably not. And that's exactly why Artemis II won't land. Landing on the moon is one of the hardest things humans have ever done. The gravity is different. Lunar dust is extremely dangerous. There's no atmosphere. And the margin for error is basically zero. One small mistake, and the mission could end in disaster. That's why everything is done step by step. No rushing. No unnecessary risks. Artemis II is like a full dress rehearsal. It's the moment to test humans inside the entire system, without taking the risk of landing. They will travel farther than any human has gone in over 50 years. Test all systems in real time. Validate every single detail of the mission. And only after that comes the next step. Artemis III. The mission that will actually land on the moon. In other words, Artemis II is the foundation of everything. Without it, the future of lunar missions could collapse. But here's the most impressive part. This mission isn't just about the moon. It's about Mars. Everything being tested right now is preparing humanity for its next giant leap. If this mission fails, it could delay space exploration for decades. If it succeeds, we are one step closer to becoming a multiplanetary species. So next time someone says Artemis II does nothing, now you know the truth. It may not land. But it might be one of the most important missions in history. Because without it, no human would walk on the moon again. So tell me, would you step on the moon if you had the chance? Comment below. And if you enjoy space, mysteries, and mind-blowing facts about the universe, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Because the next video might take you even further, maybe all the way to Mars.